Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island where I'm stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. Yo, the weather changes out here so quickly, man. Like, it was raining not too long ago. Then by the time I started dealing with my tent, it was gloomy, and then boom, the sun is out at its fullest potential. It's ridiculous. Anyhow, yeah, there's a huge glare off the sea right now in my eyes. Anyhow, the plan for today before was to actually cook some breakfast, but of course all the firewood out here is now wet, so we are just gonna go wash up, take a shower, pack some stuff, take them across, and then maybe try to find some street food, something on the street to eat, because we are hungry. Well, I am hungry, and yeah, that's gonna be the vibe, man. But yeah, feels like an adventure is coming to an end right now, and and it's one of those things, you know, we move on to other adventures, other things, but I intend to come back out here some other time and tackle this section of the island. Yeah, most of the stuff in the bag is not ours. Alright guys, so we're gearing up to leave. The goal right now is to float our stuff across the freaking river. I mean, the only upside to it is that things are a lot lighter. We're tossing water, we're tossing all the food that we now have in our stomachs and stuff. So yeah, that's the vibe. Basic concept, I'm gonna be using the igloo because, you know, it's floatable. I'm gonna throw like the crucial stuff like the power bank, stuff like that are electrical. I'll also use my bag as well to carry a couple stuff in there. So anyway, me and cuz I go deal with that while the ladies will dismantle the tents and stuff, organize that part, and we'll do the heavy lifting, carrying it all the way back to the car. You ready? Vibes.
I'll go across in my bag first.
So well, this balance is it bad? I should have really. Oh, come hold it, come hold it. Hold it. Carry, hold one side. That balance. You got it? steamer, my dreamer. Alright, check out the electrical. I'll go for the bed. Oh, wow. If you like content like these, yo, drop a like on the video, please. I'd appreciate it. Drop a comment, share your river experience or whatever. If you've ever had to do something as crazy as this, because this is bunkers, man. All right, round 2.
All aboard!
Side of his brick.
Yeah.
Stay with the girls and protect them, banana.
Hey.
I cuss you over there, I cuss you there. You hear him? She a try to come. Anyway, come on. Don't cry, don't cry. Stay with the girls. Guys, so this is the one. So we went across to drop off some of the stuff, and Banana decides that she needs to follow us. She like cussing and stuff. Then she starts going to like the deep side where the waves are and whatever. We had to like call the girls to tell them like to bring Vanilla. And here she was just waiting by the river, laying on my shirt for us to come back. This dog is a character, but don't do that again, yo. Like seriously. But it just goes to show like dogs are really like loving and caring animals. It's ridiculous how much they love. Yeah, for those who don't know and those who've been asking about my Rottweilers, they're good, they're happy. They're in the country. I did do a whole video on that one time, explaining everything, but I guess persons never saw the other channel. But anyway, eventually I'll bring them along on a couple of adventures. But I tell people this all the time. Everything in life doesn't just happen like this. It's like you take steps. For example, this trip I've been wanting to do an adventure for quite some time, but I have to put all the stuff in place that anybody that comes out with me is comfortable. Anyway, back to work. Guys, we got everything over. That was tough. That's all I can say. It was tough because it's over at least. It's probably a mile worth of walking to and from whatever. Anyway, we're here. Girls them done bathe already. Me and Kiana go with a quick fresh and thing, cool off like a bit, and then see what will be up in the next part. Right, so the hardest part is done. I'm so happy about that part, yo. Moving stuff, unpacking isn't the easiest, but we got it done. Anyway, we're gonna get some fried fish because I've been fiending for that, to be honest. So let's get to that part. Yo, yeah man, them they good. Just give me 4 fried fish. Vibes. And the red snapper down.
Yeah, man.
Yeah man, so run out some red snapper. No, one of them the guys crazy. man. That's why I park here because it's
Yeah,
true. Me
because
know him.
there's a man, really sometimes we are sleep and we dog have to wake with, then dog have to wake with. Sometimes we can just come, like one of us know what.
So, don't know. Fish are fry up. Trust me, man. The boss always make sure it's very good anytime we stop by. You see what I say? So they say your fish, you just get them straight out of the ocean, you know? Because I know it's a whole heap of snap on the have around here, so that's why that's a funny thing that, man.
Yeah, man, snap and jack.
Snap and jack, yeah.
Yeah, this a growing. You have to haul of them there.
Yeah, man. That good vibe. Yeah, happy signs, I know.
Man, hey, you know, they call me on YouTube. You wanna know? Want to know? Chef Keanu. So you know when I ramp out here. I'm like the presentation. Both.
Yes, my general.
Yes, I. Yeah, vanilla.
Hey, but man, my favorite.
Bummy? Oh, we get some or you get it? Oh, you get the only one? Food is here and we are ready and waiting. Vibes. Come on, do a picture of juicy fry too. Wow. Oh God, Keanu. Keanu not gonna stop. Keanu say, oh, onion them and have fish. Yeah, what nice in it? Curry chicken.
Alright.
Everything from my plate fried. You can taste the fish fresh, you know. Don't try the finger clap up. Mm-hmm. You probably want a bone. Come boy, come boy.
One fin not catch. The dog didn't even make the boat. The fish didn't even drop.
How bad? I rate that.
I don't know, I call him Arnold Schwarzenegger. Arnold. Get him.
A big photo shoot you have out here, man.
Yeah, no bullshit ugly. Tell her for some.
She know better, man.
You know better than that.
That the two of them can just touch you at any moment.
Whatever no say, I don't. I'm normal.
No, Tiffany, you're not. No. Yo. I'm gonna live with this moment.
We got it.
Fine, it is a cause.
Alright, we want.
How?
What do you want, sir?
No, sir. When I grew up, I wanted to be a photographer. The man just kind of say, do this, watch out. I want to be a photographer. What the concept behind the photo here?
You know the woman strength thing there.
Woman strength.
Energy and movements.
Okay.
Where say you want to do?
Come, Vanilla. Come, V. Come, Vanilla. Come on. In comes in the world's best photo bubble. Come, girl. Come on. I have a camera too.
See? You're a star on my camera. Yes.
It's okay. Kian has been mean with his camera. It's alright.
Yeah, vanilla better.
Alright guys, I think we're about to wrap up another adventure. If you guys enjoyed this video, drop a like on the video, drop some comments and let us know if you want us to do something like this again, because for me it was pretty epic. But remember these three things: love, nature, and adaptation. Always remember, keep the link.